Let's make baked apple chips at home the easy way. Now for today's recipe, you're only gonna need 2 ingredients, our apples and cinnamon. So you know that your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Now I have my oven preheating and I'm gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now this step is key because we're not using any oil and we don't want our apple slices to stick to the pan. First, we're gonna remove the core of the apple and then slice them really thin. You can use a knife for this, or you can also use a mandolin for really even thin slices. Place your apple slices flat on the baking sheet, making sure that they don't overlap. And so all you have to do is sprinkle cinnamon over those slices. It's up to you how much you use, but a little goes a long way. By the way, below this video, I'm gonna have the measurements and oven temperatures in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, all that good stuff right in the description box. So let's bake these in the preheated oven with the rack in the middle for about 40 to 50 minutes until the apple slices are crisp, golden brown, and the ends have begun to curl. Check them out. Super easy to make, and these baked apple chips are delicious and a healthy snack. Make sure to watch this next video for another delicious snack idea. See you next time.